The Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper is a compact yet powerful home workout machine designed for users who want to elevate their cardio, tone muscles, and improve endurance, all from the comfort of their home. This mini stepper offers an effective stair-stepping workout that targets the lower body, especially the thighs, glutes, calves, and hips. With a weight capacity of over 300 pounds, it supports a wide range of users, ensuring durability and long-term reliability. One of the standout features of this mini stepper is its optional twist motion, which provides a slight rotational movement during the stepping motion. This twist engages core muscles, adds variety, and increases calorie burn compared to traditional stepping motions. It also comes with integrated resistance bands that allow for simultaneous upper body workouts. These bands engage the arms, shoulders, and chest, making it a full body workout device. The resistance levels of the bands are sufficient for most home fitness routines and are great for toning and endurance training. What makes this stepper especially appealing is its space-saving design. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to store in small apartments, offices, or under a desk. The large textured foot pedals provide secure footing and minimize slippage, while the hydraulic drive system ensures smooth, quiet stepping, ideal for apartment dwellers or shared living spaces. The LCD digital monitor displays workout stats such as step count, time, and estimated calories burned, helping users stay motivated and track progress. For tech-savvy fitness fans, the device is also compatible with the Sunny Fit app, which offers workout guidance, progress tracking, and connection to a community of users. Through the app, you can access personalized training programs, follow virtual instructors, and log your fitness journey for a more interactive experience. In terms of user benefits over the course of an hour, exercising with the Sunny Mini Stepper provides a moderate to intense aerobic session depending on pace and resistance used. A continuous 60-minute session can help burn between 350 to 600 calories depending on individual weight and effort. Additionally, the stair-step motion is gentle on the joints, especially when compared to high-impact activities like jogging or jumping. For people recovering from injuries or those starting out on a weight loss journey, it offers a safe and effective option. Its low-impact cardio nature and muscle toning combination make it suitable for daily use. Whether you choose to break up the hour into multiple shorter sessions or go for a full hour at once, this machine delivers real results in cardiovascular health, lower body strength, posture improvement, and stamina. Overall, the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper is a versatile, affordable, and effective tool for home fitness enthusiasts.